Hello friends. Today I am going to tell you how you can animate your cursor as you see on the screen. So let's start. So first you have to open your File Explorer, and then open the C drive. From there you will have to open the Windows folder, and then the cursors folder, and there you will have to create a new folder. After you have created the folder, open the link that I have given in the description. You should see an interface like this. So from here download the file and then extract it in the new folder you have created. Then close the browser and then close File Explorer as well. And open Settings. Before closing, you should recheck if the cursors you have extracted are there in the new folder. Open Settings. Then head to Personalization and from there to Themes. In Themes, click on Mouse Cursor and then click on Browse. Then open the new folder in which you had extracted the zip file and choose the cursor with the same name. After you can see the new cursor in the preview box, click on Apply. And done. Here you can see that the cursor has been updated. So thank you guys, and be sure to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.